on staying fit and motivated this holiday season to be discussed by Miss Jordan. Okay, Coach Jordan, andyan ka na? Thank
Yes, yes.
you.
Yan. Thank you, Coach Beth. Yan. Good morning sa lahat. Good morning, especially na andito ngayon sa Zoom natin. And meron din tayong mga guests nasa FB Live natin. So, good morning. So, yan, may topic today. Before I share my topic, so, share ko lang din paano ako napunta sa Herbalife. So, amazing. It's been 15 years. Ngayong month is my 15th years sa Herbalife. So, imagine nyo naman kung yung journey na yan, hindi ka magstay that long sa isang company if hindi talaga nagbigay ng magandang results sa inyo. So, when I started, isa akong overseas worker na ang goal is syempre to help the family, pero nagkaroon ako ng health challenge. Umuwi ako dito sa Philippines para talagang mas gusto ko dito na dito ako magpagaling. So during that time, yun yung pinaka lowest point in my life na na-introduce sa akin ng Herbalife. So I'm so grateful na na-introduce sa akin kasi alam mo yung nutrition, pero when you start looking at it, sabi, ang layo pala. So, na-introduce sa akin yung healthy breakfast natin. Ang ganda kasi um, nagbigay siya sa akin ng energy. At that time, pinakamababang energy ko yon na sabi sa akin, mag-start ka lang ng aloe tea and shake natin. So I started the program. After 10 days, na-introduce sa akin yung other products natin, which is yung cell complex, which is cellular nutrition, and yung ating NRG Herbalife line, syempre yung fiber and herbs and vitamins and minerals. Yun yung mga favorite products ko na when I started, talagang it boost my energy na tuwang-tuwa ako. And goal ko lang naman is to improve my health. So, ayun na nakuha ko yung gusto ko, and at that time, bumalik ako sa yung climbing and yung walking, mountain climbing. So, mas marami na akong nagagawa. So, mas nai-enjoy ko na. And besides, yung ating, meron tayong VIP customer, which is in-avail ko yan, and yung ating, pwede kang magiging supervisor also, magkaroon ka ng 50% discount, which is parang buy one, take one na siya. Ang laking tulong. In-avail ko yun para at least mas makakuha ako ng more products at nai-enjoy ko. And pinakamaganda is ma-share mo sa family mo and to your community. So grateful din ako dito sa community natin kasi ito talagang tumutulong sa akin na ma-motivate and tutulungan ka, mas marami kang matutunan every day. Just log in or join in this community kasi ito talaga yung tutulong sa inyo para siyang continuing education, like every day you are learning something. So yung mga events natin, yung ating extravaganza. Doon ko ang first extravaganza ko in Singapore was really amazing. Kasi at that time talagang wala pa akong kamalay-malay kung ano-ano yun. Pero yung napakinggan ko yung first spectacular natin, amazing, and nagkaroon ako ng unshakable belief sa product at saka sa company natin. So, sabi ko, tuloy-tuloy kong gagawin to. And yes, it's been 15 years. That's why I love Herbalife Nutrition. Okay, so tuloy na tayo sa topic natin today. My topic today is mga top 10 tips on staying fit and motivated this holiday season. It's very important na meron tayong mga ideas kasi obviously naman, weight can creep up over the holidays. Totoo yan. Marami talaga. And sabi nga dito sabi ng mga expert natin, during their annual holiday survey, expect to gain 8 pounds. No? And at the end of the season, usually meron talaga. And 64% daw sinasabi, dinidelay nila yung healthy attempts nila until the new year. And then magkaroon na sila ng another New Year's resolution, lose weight. O, di ba? So, pero dito, kaya nga maganda dito sa ating community. Kasi we are taught kung paano gagawin or merong mga strategies to avoid yung mga stress eating. Of course, nai-indulge tayo ng mga treat or yung mga pagkain, pero sana hindi naman na yung mga meals natin don't have to destroy our healthy lifestyle. Kailangan pa rin natin. Kaya maganda dito kasi tinutulungan tayo na magkaroon ng mindset at ma-motivate tayo na yung tamang gagawin. Okay? We have to remember nutrition, mental health, and exercise all play a role in our overall well-being. So it's important to keep fitness in mind even during the holidays. So ngayon, ibibigay ko na yung how to stay motivated during yung the holidays. So next please. So first is, yan, we have to get creative. Next. Sige lang, next. So, yan. Of course, it's not easy nga na yung holiday natin, palampasin natin, hindi tayo kakain. But we have to remember exercise is very important. We have to be mindful in eating also to help us stay fit or yung ma-maintain natin yung weight natin. Next, we have yung mga equipments na pwede natin gagawin para at least na kahit hindi ka pupunta sa gym, pwede mo siyang gagawin. Of course, kung may mga dumbbell tayo or even yung mga water bottle na pwede natin gagawin. I know most of the NC members, meron sila yung aloe container natin, nilalagyan nila ng sand or water. You can use that para din sa weight ninyo, lifting ninyo. And even yung mga old books na itali mo lang siya, pwedeng 8 pounds or 10 pounds, pwedeng makatulong sa inyo para yung weightlifting kahit sa bahay kayo or in your office. Okay, so hindi siya excuse, kailangan pa rin na meron tayong mga exercises na gagawin. So be creative. Next is, yan, track your progress for motivation. So alam kong maraming, meron na sa atin yung mga tracking devices, yung mga watches, and ngayon, most of the cell phones, meron na rin mga monitors para sa ating health. So, pwede natin gagamitin yan para at least ma-track natin yung mga dapat naka 10,000 steps tayo, goal, di ba? In a day, meron tayong 10,000 steps a day. So, saan ka na during lunchtime? So, kailangan mong dagdagan. And kung kailangan mong mag-walk during after yung office hour, di ba? Hindi agad na yung sasakay ka na agad. So, kailangan mo pa mag-walk even yung sa office nyo na lang. So, we have to be mindful. So, i-track natin yung progress natin. Okay? Next. So, boost your angles. So, meron naman tayong mga, let's say, regular exercise na ginagawa, but you can also boost your angles differently. Sabi nga, kung hindi ka pa nag-try ng HIIT, pwede mo rin siyang gagawin. And yung different, yung angle mo, let's say, yung target mo this time is different. Hindi lang siya for tummy, is pwede naman sa arms mo, yung mga ganon. So, kailangan mo lang talagang isipin na or conscious ka para at least meron kang gagawin this holiday na hindi ka talaga magiging ng weight. Okay? Next is number 4, try free online workout. So we're blessed kasi every week meron tayong free workout here sa ating VNC. So isa yan na gagawin mo, and then you also try yung online workout. Kahit hindi ka na pupunta sa gym, pupunta ka sa 10 minutes na mga workout mo online, increase mo into 25 minutes, yan. And pinakamaganda, if you are a member of Herbalife, meron na tayong video library. Just log in dun sa ating website and you can get all yung mga free video na pwede mo siyang gagamitin for your workout. Okay? Yan. Number 5 is listen to new music. So, kailangan natin din na inspire tayo habang ginagawa natin. So, hanap ka ng pwedeng maka-inspire sa'yo that will really make you move na talagang, ito, mas gusto ko itong gagamitin kasi habang di ba, tumatakbo, naglalakad, meron kang nai-inspire ka or talagang it makes you feel good na pakinggan at the same time keep you moving. So it's very important na meron tayong, alam kong meron kayong mga devices din na pwede nyong gagamitin. If not, ang iba nga, isama mo ng buong nutrition club, isama mo ng buong sa family mo, make a music in your nutrition club para lahat, di ba? Kahapon we have a very fun community kasi talagang kahapon meron kaming dance na ginawa doon sa aming community. So, it's fun na gagawin natin yan, mga music na gusto natin. Okay, next. Number 6 is try mini stretch bands. So, alam kong merong binigay niyan si Herbalife. So, share that sa mga coach, sa mga NC members natin or sa family natin para magamit ninyo for stretching. Kasi it's really fun doing that, yung meron kang stretch bands, kahit yun nga sa sofa ka lang or sa sala gagawin mo, you can do the stretching. So, very, din siya, colorful din. Yan. Next, number 7 is, yan. Ito treat to pag talagang, tumatakbo ka na. Get new running shoes. Hindi kailangan na may bago ka para mag-start. Pero kung magiging inspirasyon mo yan, why not? And this is holiday season na may mga sale po, pwede nyo rin i-enjoy yan. So, kung kailangan lang. So, you can get a new pair of shoes na talagang pang-running if your goal is really for running. Para din na, syempre minsan, no, parang sarap din yung feeling na comfortable yung shoes mo at saka yung the feeling of bago yung shoes mo. Pero again, hindi po yan excuse para hindi tatakbo. You can always wear yung mga old shoes mo rin. Okay? So yan, treat yan talaga kung gusto mo. And number 8 is run with reflective clothing. So ito naman is, syempre wise tayo. Hindi dapat magtatakbo na yung dark yung yung mga damit mo. Meron akong minsan driving along the way na gabi. Sabi ko, grabe naman to, nakaitim. Halos hindi mo makikita. So, ayan, you should be aware na kailangan talaga natin yung mga ganyan na color, especially if you are running along the road na kailangan yung madaling araw, minsan dark pa, kailangan mo talagang meron kang ganyan. Kasi may mga tao minsan na hindi maganda yung vision, hindi masyado nakikita kasi marami din akong nakikitang ganyan talaga. Tumatakbo itim yung suot, tapos madilim na. Yan. So, we have to use yung mga reflective color para din madali tayong makita and to avoid accident also. Okay? Next is number 9. We have yung jump rope. So, jump rope this is old-fashioned way. Talagang halos naman lahat kailangan may ganito. Even yung mga kids, pwede nyong isali sila sa mga activity ninyo kasi this is fun. Pwede ngang magiging creative ka dito. Gagawa kayo ng yung mga, ang tawag nito, activity ninyo with kids or NC members ninyo. And if talagang walang jump rope, jumping jack, 'di ba? May tinuro sa atin na jumping jack na yung counting, tapos gagawin mo lang. So, even in our house talaga magagawa natin 'yan. Kailangan lang natin na magiging motivated tayo or start that in your family kung hindi pa talaga gumagawa yung iba. Kailangan meron tayong activity. And yan ang easy talaga kasi kahit wala kang jump rope, pwede mo siyang gagawing as jumping jack. Okay, next. Yan, number 10 na tayo, tips. Okay, control hunger with protein snacks. So, dito sa nutrition company natin, talagang pinopromote natin kasi it's really helping us na nakakatulong talaga siya to control hunger. So marami na tayong ways paano gagawin. Kanina, na-explain din sa atin yung sa Herbalife 24 na rebuild strength natin. Yan, yung of course yung ating coffee na high protein coffee natin. And of course yung ating shake. We have 5 different flavors. And pwede natin siyang gagawin na protein balls. Diba? meron na tayong mga recipes niyan. If you're very new, tapos wala pa kayong recipe, ask your coach about that kasi may mga recipe na tayo how to do that. Kung ayaw nyo, meron kasing ang iba, sabi nila, ayaw daw nila yung shake kasi lagi silang ihi, ganun. Pwede nyo i-alternate. Gagawa kayo ng protein balls para din na at least yung mga snacks ninyo kung ayaw nyo ng liquid, protein-based pa rin siya. Okay? So, ask lang yung coach ninyo paano siya gagawin. Next. Yan. So, meron tayong, yan, kanina, yung Herbalife 24 Rebuild and yung for yung maliit natin. So, kailangan lang na kukuha ka ng recipes niyan para at least nung mga ano natin, mga exercises natin pagkatapos is maganda talaga siya inumin kasi it rebuilds strength. Yun yung gamit talaga niyan. So, we have to look also for food na healthy para sa atin, yung lunch and dinner natin. Kahit 'di ba? Kahit holiday ngayon, you can get portion of food na healthy pa rin. Okay? Next. So, since nutrition, mental health, yun nga, exercise, these play a vital role doon sa ating overall well-being. So, it's important to keep fitness in mind even during the holidays. Ito yung pinaka-reminder natin. So, stay motivated. Okay, thank you. I hope you learned something today.
Thank you, Ma'am and Jordan, for the tips. Okay, so we have no reason not to do our healthy, active lifestyle this